Hi, and welcome to day 7 of the Heart Devotion Journey. I'm so excited to share this piece with you and tying it all together. So rather than explain it, I'm going to show you. I want you to take a nice tall seated position, eyes open or closed. Again, safety first, and please make sure that you're not watching this while operating heavy machinery. I want you to put your feet on the floor, feel the floor underneath your feet. Notice what's happening in the body. Notice what's showing up emotionally in this moment, or what brought you to connect to this series in the first place, this mini course. Just notice for a moment and then begin elongating the breath. 4 seconds in, 5 seconds out, or 5 seconds in at this point, 6 seconds out. Begin noticing the shift that begins to happen more quickly than it did on day 2. Begin to notice the breath and feeling the fullness of the air coming in through the nose and out through the nose. And taking your left hand or the pulse point wherever you feel it, tap into your heart. Notice what's happening emotionally as you do this. Notice where it's anchored in the body. Stay with that emotion, don't need to change it. Begin directing the breath in and out of the heart. Imagine the heart expanding and contracting. Breathing in, breathing out. Continue that motion of connectedness with each breath and each beat. Call up that regenerative feeling. Joy or inner peace, the connectedness, the love, the warm embrace, whatever feeling that you want to feel more of. Maybe it's excitement. Stay with the breath, stay with the heart, stay with this feeling. And now I want you to direct that feeling into the heart. And as you breathe in and out, I want you to expand it through your body. I want you to feel that peace or excitement or joy or love or connection, that warm embrace. I want you to feel it throughout your whole physical body. So as you breathe out, I want you to expand it through the body. And as you breathe in and out through the heart and expand it through the body, I want you to expand it in and around you. Feel the expansion of that energy moving in and around you. Enjoy how it moves through every cell and atom of your being, shifting your nervous system, shifting the connection to from your heart to your mind, opening up space for possibility as you breathe in and out. Feel the openness and the connectedness of this energy as it begins to grow in and around you. And then offer it to everything exterior to you. Just keep breathing it out into the world. Taking some breaths here as you breathe in and out. Stay with your elongated breath. Stay with that connection. Stay with that openness. Allow that energy to continue to move through you. There you have it, a heart shift. In under 5 minutes, you have shifted your mental, emotional, and physiological state. Thank you so much for joining. I'm going to give you a bonus video tomorrow, and I'm going to show you how to then curate more clarity on your next steps.